Good day. It's wonderful reconnecting with you again on this page. What we do on this page is to look at the issues of law, contemporary issues, issues that touch our everyday life, and we look at it, we trash it, and it is for your own cancer, so that you take the appropriate steps when necessary. It's always important to know what to do at the right time. On this page, that's what we do. And you should know that knowledge is power. Knowledge is power, and um, those who know, are better off. And you should also know that if you consider education very expensive, if you consider knowledge a costly thing, then I can tell you for free that ignorance is even more expensive. And there's a popular saying in law, say ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Ignorantia legis non excusat. It's not an excuse. So it's when you have an opportunity to pick up one thing or the other about the law and the functions and the mechanics of the law, I encourage you to take advantage of it, listen up, and work with it, and you will never be in error. Because some of these things that we discuss are not commonplace. They are not things that you could just stumble upon. They are things that will come out from the place or position of knowledge, experience, and empathy. That's what has moved us to begin to talk about some of these issues of law. And I can tell you for certain that there are even more burning issues that will be coming on very shortly. Contemporary issues. We are looking at child right law and vis-a-vis surrogacy rights and surrogacy, as it were, in Nigeria. Is it a legal venture? Is it proper to get involved in it? Because you look at the entire spectrum, the body of laws around child rights. The law in Nigeria is completely against every form of child trafficking. And so we must be mindful of that. And then when you talk about surrogacy, is it a form of child trafficking or is it not? This is a moot question, and I think you will want to listen to our discussion on it and be enlightened. Of course, there is no denying it that a lot of persons have one issue or the other about conception, about childbirth, and there are always medical interventions. The law is not against medical interventions in whatever form or manner, but what the law is against is when those interventions will not take the shape or form of child trafficking, where you are purchasing embryos, you are buying and paying, and all of that. There are laws is against that. So we'll be looking into that, and for the proper guide of those who are in this situation, so that when you take